Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into a quick guide on how to add your phone number to Discord on PC, especially following the latest updates. Let's jump right in and get your account more secure and connected. First things first, open your Discord app on your computer. Once you're in, head to the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on the little gear icon next to it. That's your settings menu. Now, on the left side of the screen that appears, look for the option labeled My Account, and click on it if it's not already selected. This will bring you to the My Account screen where you can manage your profile. In the center of this screen, you'll find a button that says Add right next to Phone Number. Click that button to start the process of adding your phone number to your account. Next, a prompt will appear asking you to enter the phone number you'd like to add. Just type it in and then click Next to proceed. After that, you'll have to complete a few security checks. This might include confirming your identity through various methods, so be ready for that. Once you've cleared those checks, you'll receive a 6-digit code sent straight to your phone. Enter that code in the required field. Finally, to wrap things up, type your password to confirm the changes and hit the Confirm button. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully added your phone number to Discord on your PC. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.